We are finally here, guys. After traveling more than 50,000 kilometers from Singapore, I'm finally here in Los Angeles, California. I'm still waiting for my friend to open the door. So while I would like to share with you something that happened on my second flight here. Basically, the plane windows had this thing that looks very much like an ND filter that you use for photography. I was able to increase it up to 5 times increments, and the window screen became darker as we go along. So I guess, you know, being a photographer had all these nerdy moments. So something that's going to happen on my channel here, we're going to be interviewing my friend who stays in America and find out what is it like working as an Asian in America. He's a film editor, so there are some things about the media industry which he can share with us on the video ahead. So if not, I'm going to get some rest and I'll see you guys in a moment. Good morning, guys. So today is actually day 2 of my trip in the US. I'm starting to get used to the weather here. It's cold and dry, which I like the dry part. As you know, my trips in SG, I'm always sweating in my shirt. So today we'll be going to the Griffith Observatory and the Hollywood sign, and we're going to see what photos and nice views we're going to take. So please leave down in the comments below if you like this format of my photo walks, or do you prefer all my photos to be at the end of every segment. If not, let's head on out and explore the places. So we were here just now, the Griffith Observatory. So either ways, we have concluded the day 2 of the photo walk in US. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new here, please like and subscribe so that you'll be up to date with more of my video content. If not, I'll see you on day 3 of the photo walk in US.